What does psychic mean? Psychic is a word used to describe a person who claims to have special mental powers beyond normal human abilities. In simple words, a psychic is someone who believes they can sense or know things without using the normal five senses. A psychic may claim to predict the future, read minds, or communicate with spirits. The word psychic can be used as both an adjective and a noun. As a noun, it refers to a person with special powers. For example, she visited a psychic to ask about her future. As an adjective, psychic describes something related to the mind or supernatural abilities. For example, he claims to have psychic abilities. Psychics are often associated with fortune-telling, tarot card reading, astrology, and spiritual practices. However, there is no scientific proof that psychic powers truly exist. Many scientists consider psychic abilities to be based on belief rather than evidence. The word psychic comes from the Greek word meaning related to the mind or soul. It is sometimes confused with psychological, but they are different. Psychological relates to the scientific study of the human mind and behavior. Psychic usually refers to supernatural mental powers. Here are some example sentences. She believes the psychic predicted her success. The movie shows a character with psychic powers. He claims to have psychic visions. In simple terms, psychic means a person who claims to have special mental or supernatural powers. Easy way to remember. Psychic means someone who says they can know things using special mental powers.